What's up, big girl? Sit down. Sit down. Wait. You know what you're getting, that's why. I always keep some treats in here for the animals when I'm at work. Nice and gentle. Spin! Spin! Good job. Good job.